Sairam class, how are you all? I hope that you all are very fine. So class, as we were in our workbook and we are doing our last chapter, chapter number 13, fields and fences. So all the course is almost complete. Now today we will start revising the extra question for these chapters. So today we will do the practice question for fields and fences. So let's see. So the first question is the length of three matchsticks are 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So what should be the length of the boundary of a triangle made with the help of these three matchsticks? So if we have three matchsticks and we are making a triangle for these three matchsticks, so we have to find the boundary of this triangle. So let's see how we have to do it. So in question we have given that the length of all the three matchstick is 3 centimeter. So when we place these matchsticks in a shape of triangle, so the length of all the side of this triangle will be 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So the length of the boundary of the triangle will be, for this we have to add all the three sides and we know that the length of all the three sides is 3 centimeter each. So we have to add 3 centimeter with 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So the answer is 9 centimeter. That means the length of the boundary of this triangle is 9 centimeter. Okay. Now let's see the second question. So the question is, a square park has side 320-meter long. If we have a square shaped park and its side is 320-meter long, means each side is of 320-meter long. So how much wire will be required for fencing around it only once? Fencing, we have to place wire around its boundary and we have to find how much length of wire we will need to fence around it only one round. That means we have to find the length of boundary of this square park, and the length of boundary of this square park is the same how much we need wire to fence around it only once. So let's see how we have to do it. So suppose this is our square park and its all the side is of 320-meter each. So the length of the boundary of a square park is 320 plus 320 plus 320 plus 320. C class, instead of adding 324 times, we can directly multiply 320 with 4. So we will have the same answer. So we have two ways. Either we can add 324 times or we can directly multiply 320 with 4. We will have the same answer. So when we multiply 320 with 4, so the multiplication or the product is 1280. So that means 1280 length of wire we will need to fence around this square park for only one round. Okay, for only one round of fencing, the length of wire we will need is equal to the length of boundary of the square park, which is 1280 meter. Now let's see the third question. So the question is, Raman took 5 rounds of a rectangular park. Suppose it is that rectangular park and Raman takes 5 round. 1 round, then 2 round, then 3, then 4, then 5. Means we have to multiply 5 with its length of boundary. Okay. So we have given length equals to 100 meter and width net equals to 70 meter. So we have to find the distance covered by Raman in all. So first we have to find the length of boundary of this square park. Then we have to multiply it with 5. So let's see how we have to do it. So this is our rectangular park with 100 meter of its length and 70 meter of its width. Now first we have to find the length of boundary of this rectangular park. So what we have to do, we have to add 100 meter with 100 meter, that is these two are length. 70 meter with 70 meter, these two is our width. Or what we can do, we have a formula for find out the length of boundary of rectangular park is 2 into length plus breadth, right? As we can see, we have to add length twice. So what we can do, we can to multiply it with 2, or here we have to add width twice, so we can multiply it with 2 to get our answer. So instead of adding length twice and breadth twice, what we can do, we can directly multiply their addition with 2 to get our answer. That is 2 into length plus breadth is our formula to find out the boundary of rectangular park or rectangular figure. So you can see here 2 into length plus breadth. Length is 100 meter, breadth is 70 meter. So 100 plus 70 is 170 meter. And when we multiply 170 with 2, our answer is 340 meter. Now we know that Raman took how many rounds? 5 rounds of this rectangular park. So to find out how much distance he had covered, we have to multiply this distance, that is the length of boundary of rectangular park, with 5. So he covered 5 into, this is length of rectangular park, length of boundary of rectangular park. So 5 into 340 gives us 1700 meter. That means 1700 meter is the total distance covered by Raman when he took 5 rounds of this rectangular park. Now after this, let's move on to the next question. Question number 4 is, your classroom is 11 meter long and 8 meter wide. Okay. Similarly, we have another wideness is also 8 meter and length is 11 meter. So we have to find the length of boundary of our class. So here also we can use the formula for length of boundary of rectangular field or rectangular shape. Okay. So the formula is 2 into L plus B. L is length, B is breadth. And in this question, we have given the length of classroom is 11. So we have to put 11 in place of length, and breadth is given as 8 meters. So we have to put 8 in place of breadth. First, we have to add length and breadth. That is 11 plus 8 is 19. Then we have to multiply their addition with 2. So 2 multiplying with 19, so our answer is 38 meter. That means the length of boundary of our classroom is 38 meter if its length is 11 and breadth is 8 meter, which is given. Now let's move on to the last question for today. The question is, a piece of cloth is in the shape of a square of side 3 meter. That means each of its side is of 3 meter. Okay. Now the question is, how much lace will be needed to place in its boundary? We have to place lace in its boundary, so we have to find the length of the lace. Now we all know that we have to find the length of the boundary of this square shaped cloth. So for this also we have a formula which is 4 into side of square. So we will use this. So you can see this is the piece of a square cloth with side 3 meter each. So the length of boundary of cloth which is square shaped, we can use our formula, which is 4 into side. Here side is given as 3 meter. So 4 into 3, that is 12 meter is the length of the boundary of this square shaped cloth. That is 12 meter of lace will be needed to place in its boundary. Okay class. Now we revised two important formula today. The first one is how we can find the length of boundary of a rectangle, okay, or rectangular shaped figure. So the formula for this is 2 into L plus B. While solving this formula, first we have to add L and B, then we have to multiply their addition with 2 to get our answer. And the second important formula we revised today is the length of the boundary of a square, okay, which is 4 into side. Side means the side of square, okay, 4 into side. So you have to learn these two important formula, that is the length of the boundary of a square. How we can find out the length of the boundary of a square, that is 4 into side, and the length of the boundary of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Okay, I hope today's all the question you enjoyed today, and you have to practice these question by your own also. We will do further question related to other chapters also in our next videos. Till then, thank you class.